How to add and manage your team members and user permissions in Zapify IO. Go to My Staff, add user, and fill their name, email, and role. You can also assign permission based on what they need to access, like admin, user, or custom. Team members will receive an email invitation to join the sub account.